massa e welkom in Búzios.
Esse é o 57º.
Estão numa campeonato em linha.
Today the wind was pretty windy and there is a lot of wave. I'm quite satisfied on my day. There is still one race tomorrow to give all what I can.
So far the regatta has been quite difficult. You know, everybody here is very experienced, put a lot of hours on the water. Every mistake you make is, you know, it's many boats, so it's really tight out here.
Today I had a very good day on the water with 2 race wins. I had a really fun day here in Brazil racing against all the best people of the world. And Búzios is a really amazing place for sail events like this.